Brings out the best in batting talent. Who will like favour? It's time for the toss. Heads the call. And we have got a heads. It's a decision to bat first. Looks to be very friendly batting conditions. A chance for the batting line-up to display their fine set of skills. A good opening stand will be the key here. He opens up his account in style with a boundary. Now have a look at the batsman's face here. He is completely baffled. Good ball. No runs given off that one. No, I could have easily nicked that. Great bowling. The ball might as well be invisible. What a miss. It's another dot ball in this over. The bowler will be pleased with that one. And that's four. Using his feet superbly. What a lovely shot. Great coordination between the pair. That's terrific running. Oh, it's a little tick in the bowling side has decided to continue the medium pace onslaught. And that's four. Using his feet superbly. What a lovely shot. As they say, catches win matches. Goodness me, that's a shocker. Smashed! Get on the bus, because that's not stopping for anyone. Two's company, but three's a hat-trick. Can he do it? Well, people up in the crowd, if they haven't got 20/20 vision, that's been smashed away. What a shot. That's a blinding shot all the way for six. He's kicking himself for that shot. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. Wonderful spell. Wobbled. Nothing conceded. Caught. It's an easy catch. He's the new man in. He should stick to the team plan and just anchor the innings down. They've decided to call in the leg spinner to control the flow of runs. Free hit coming up. That's a good opportunity to grab for the batting unit. Bracking start. A boundary off his very first encounter. Big miss. Couldn't make full use of the free hit delivery. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. Out! Umpire puts his finger up and it's a huge celebration from the fielding unit. Batsman looks really unhappy with this decision. They've decided not to go for the DRS. Looks like he's following his team's orders as we really see him bat in this position. This one was a close one, but the umpire's finger, goes up. Mark of a new player in. He should just stay there until the end of the innings. Looks like he's sending a pretty confident message to the bowler. Huge chance for a wicket here. Oh no, he fumbles to collect the ball and he drops it. Seems to me he's struggling to get into a good rhythm in this stint. That's been sliced away. Is it 6? Yes, it is. The bowler's lost this. The batsman's gained. A free hit is signalled. He had his chance and muffed it. No boundaries here, I'm afraid. Some variation in this one's deliveries. Are the gods of speed in his favour? He's dropped the sitter. Look at his teammates kicking the ground. No need to run for it. Bowler, as they always are, confidently appeal. The batsman is gone. Yeah, looks like they're going to go up for the review. Signal from the fielding captain to review this one. Looks like it's going to be up to the third umpire for the decision. opting to play it safe on that one. No runs. Smack! It's a big one. It's out of there. Oh, what a glorious shot that is. Dropped. Cracking shot. 4 more. That's gone all the way. Yeah, look at that support for each other there. That's why they're building a very nice partnership. Flogged. And that's a 6. That's a massive one. Still a shot. What a 6. Batsman has failed to score any runs. Superb delivery. Like a new player in, he should just stay there until the end of the innings. The bowling side has decided to continue the medium pace onslaught. He's down on one knee, proposing to go for the boundary. Batsman's error. Fielders. He's gifted away his wicket. A very interesting decision by the batting captain. He sends in a lower order batsman to walk out on the crease early on in the innings. What a sitter! Out caught! What is he doing? Giving catching practice? Wicket's tumbling at the other end. Hope he can survive the initial few deliveries. An impressive sprint by both batsmen. Oh, that's a wild leap of desperation. Did he make it? Great throw. Ball slams into the stumps, but they've made it in time. No run out here. It's sayonara with that delivery. 4 off the last ball. 6 balls done and dusted, and it's a bowling change. Excellent innings. Let's hope the batting can... A chance for the batting line up to display their fine set of skills. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. End of the power play. Restrictions lifted. Fielders have to now defend those boundaries. Well fielded. And the batsman couldn't get away with it. Good ball. No runs given off that one. That ball went like a rocket to the fence. A shocking impact. Whopped away for 6. Fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. Well, he could have been on the front line there, the umpire. He's fired him out. Yeah, looks like they're going to go up for the review. He's going to review the umpire's decision. Yes, the umpires had to reverse his decision here. You can stay on at the crease, son. Excellent delivery. The batting side are no doubt getting frustrated. He has to be lightning on this one if he's going to be safe. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. Got him! Well judged catch by the fielder. And there goes the wicket. That was sloppy. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game. Step out and hammers it to the stands. Boy, was that full-blooded drive or what? Tough opposition for the batting side in this outfield. A clever one that left no room for the batsman. Drop ball. Careless effort from the bowler. It's a wide. That was a nasty one. Well left. Unfortunate for the bowler as it runs away to the boundary. It was way too wide for the wicketkeeper to stop it. He's making the batsman work for his money. A spirited defence. Driven. Goes to the mid-wicket fielder on the leg side. No runs added. A very good effort between the wickets. Bowler goes over the line. No ball given by the umpire. It's a free hit for the batsman at the crease. Swings away for the big one, but misses it. No dice from the free hit. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. Striker is hesitant to make any big moves. No runs off that ball. Well, that's been taken well and truly out of the hand of the fielding side. They can't touch that one because it's been smashed up into the stadium. He has to be lightning on this one if he's going to be safe. A beautiful sweep to clean that ball up. Great coordination between the pair. That's terrific running. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. That's a quick bit of leg work from these two. Good over from the batting team, that is. Some variation in this one's deliveries. Are the gods of speed in his favour. Some aggressive defence there from the fielding side. Driven, goes to the mid-wicket fielder on the leg side. No runs added. The fielders are pulling out all the stops by making all the stops. No run again. Clever bowling by the bowler. The batsman has been deceived completely. They're making the batsman fight for every run. Good show by the fielders. Great line and length once again. No runs off that one. He pushes that one onto the mid-wicket for more runs. Sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. Oh, the timing on that was exquisite. He's been punted for 6. A testy little send-off here for the bowler. And with that, bowler passes the torch. End of the over. In comes the change of bowling. There's nothing medium about this medium pacer. An impressive sprint by both batsmen. Fielders are all over it. No freebies whatsoever today. Well bowled, nothing conceded. A hop and a skip and a little twirl of the bat. Pushes away the leg. Great coordination between the pair. That's terrific running. He knows that every run stop counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. Well fielded. And the batsman couldn't get away with it. Driven, goes to the mid-wicket fielder on the leg side. No runs added. Smashed! Brutal sky shot. Soars over the pitch and into the crowd. He's given the ball some French leave from the pitch. Too bad. A stunning victory. And yet another feather in their cap as the ultimate winners. Completely dominated by the opposition. They surely could have performed better. What a performance. The man of the hour also wins the man of the match.